Okay, now we're on part 10. Starting to get a little more exciting. Starting to see the finished product. We're going to place these footprints, these parts, inside the board. Should be pretty straightforward. There is nothing new to learn in this. It's just new altogether. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these standoffs with the move button and I'm placing them in the corners. And then I'm going to take the power and output connector, J1, put it down here at the bottom. What did I mean by all new altogether? Well, I guess there isn't really anything new, just learning to place parts. That looks pretty good. The goal when you're placing parts that have traces is to avoid intersecting yellow lines. And it was simple to do it with our circuit, but much larger circuits, you're not going to be able to avoid the intersection of yellow lines. It's a more advanced topic, and I could probably do a short tutorial on that, where if you do have intersecting yellow lines, what happens is that you'll probably have a trace going somewhere along the board, and then you'll stick a via somewhere in between where it needs to go and that via takes it to the bottom side of the board, and then it goes to wherever it needs to go. And what that allows is that you'll have two lines coming to the same point, but before they intersect, one will go to the underside of the board or back up to the top to avoid the intersection. But the first thing you should try to do is avoid the intersections altogether. Make your board as simple and as clean as possible. So that was it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to make these actual traces, clean up the board a little bit, and get ready to run a design rule check or error rule check, and just make sure everything's gravy. See you in the next tutorial.